In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. So first you want to do is open up your Spotify app, and as you can see at the moment the shuffle is not turned on, but if you want to turn it off you need to click on the bottom left, and now it's turned off. And when it has this icon it means that the songs will be shuffled. If you just click on it again, now the songs won't be shuffled anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.